I was looking around at various PhDs and I found that the one in immunology and working on developing new monoclonal antibodies was really sort of cutting edge technology. I was very excited about it and I was delighted when I actually got accepted for that one. And I always wanted to do something, a profession related to medicine, but not medicine. So this was like developing vaccines for the future. So I thought this is just my spot. And what was really great about it was also that there were links with the West of Scotland Blood Transfusion Service. So it wasn't just in the university, there was external experience. And I think that really made it even more interesting. I really like clinical research and I've been doing it for a long time now, developing new medicines, and so what I set out to study and what I'm doing now is absolutely in harmony. Since I was 16 years old I've been an Avon rep and I was very actively selling Avon cosmetics to anybody and everybody, and I had them with me and all the brochures, and I would sell them to students, and especially foreign students that were really keen on these products, and that was my sort of first insight into sales as well. It did definitely help me with the sales side of things and being close to identifying customers and selling to customers. After I finished my PhD, I went to work within the pharmaceutical industry, and as a sales rep, first of all, selling pharmaceutical products in West London. So I actually moved to London and I worked for Wellcome, which is now GSK. And then I moved on to Germany actually to get international experience, and my husband moved to the north of Germany, and the company was quite conservative and not allowing people to be home based, especially in management positions. So I decided I would work for myself and work from home. I worked as a consultant in clinical research, and every pharmaceutical company I worked for wanted to give me more work, and very soon I had many people working with me and for me in different countries. On an international cardiology project was one of the first projects, and as our reputation grew, our number of employees grew, our clients grew, and it all became a really big business. It hasn't stopped since then. Over 20 years, it's still growing now. I was just last week in the US talking to a new client, and I was very proud to tell them that for 15 years we worked on a specific multiple sclerosis project and projects, I should say a pipeline, and developed a new drug which is on the market globally, treating hundreds of thousands of people, and a blockbuster drug, you know, $1 billion product on the market. So I was happy to share. It's not just that we've done these clinical trials, but the product's been successfully registered and successfully treating hundreds of thousands of people across the globe. I think it's really important to know that rewards can take a little bit of time to come, and setting up a business, it's not for somebody that wants to have short-term gains. It would have to be something they think about carefully and have to plan over a longer period of time. You have a lot of dedication and commitment over a longer period of time is needed to make a business prosperous, successful. It's very important to be passionate about what you do, and then it's naturally easier to do this for a longer period of time, and just to go for it really, and to keep going. Keep your feet firmly on the ground, remembering who you are, but really reach for the stars. And there's a lot of world of opportunity out there for everyone.